everybody! Today in front of me I have EMPORIA Smart 4 device, and in this video tutorial we are going to show how you can enable the mobile data saver on this smartphone. So first of all, you want to open up the quick settings, expand to more settings, go for the system settings. In here, head straight for the network and internet, data usage section, and as you can see there is the separate data saver option, so we'll tap on it. And at the data saver page, just make sure to turn on this toggle, and that will effectively mean that you have successfully switched on the mobile data saver option. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.